Good morning. I am Dr. Pradeep Kumar, currently serving as a professor at the School of Computer Science and Engineering, Vellore Institute of Technology, Chennai campus. With over 25 years of academic and research experience, I have dedicated my career to shaping the future of engineering education through innovation, mentorship, and technology driven teaching. My journey began with a bachelor's in electrical and electronics engineering, followed by a master's in embedded systems technologies, and culminating in a PhD in computer engineering. Specialization in stochastic power modeling for mission critical IoT systems. As an educator, I have taught more than 35 different courses ranging from cyber physical systems to embedded software design, impacting thousands of students. Beyond the classroom, I have hosted two MOOC courses, conducted over 200 workshops and FDPs, created more than 120 educational videos through my YouTube channel, Engineering Clinic, which supports research scholars and higher education learners across the globe. In research, I have guided multiple PhD scholars, published extensively in high impact journals, and led funded projects in areas like nuclear power plant monitoring and remote proctoring systems. I have also organized international conferences, including the World Engineering Education Forum in 2019. My commitment to digital transformation is evident in my leadership of the Moodle Learning Management System deployment for over 19,000 users and the implementation of remote exam systems at Vellore Institute of Technology, Chennai. I am a senior member of IEEE as well as the senior member of ACM, a flautist by passion and a firm believer in the power of education to change lives. I strive every day to blend innovation, inclusivity, and integrity into the learning experience. Thank you for considering my profile for this prestigious honor. Thank you.